Jacob was cooking by accident. Jacob was cooking with eggplant. After finishing the cooking, he tasted it and found it delicious. Jacob expected David to be surprised by how good the food tasted. David ate the food and said it tasted bad. Jacob was disappointed and cried. David felt sorry and made a mistake. The steak Jacob had made was not beef, but food made from food waste. Jacob reported David to the police and David ended up in prison for 1 year.